Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to save your custom outfits in Roblox. This feature allows you to store your favorite avatar looks, making it simple to switch between them whenever you like. You can save up to 50 distinct outfits, giving you plenty of options to express your style. Let's get started with the first step. First, personalize your avatar with all the clothing, accessories, and body parts you want to include in your outfit. Once your avatar looks perfect, go to the Avatar Editor. Find the Costumes or Outfits section, then click the Create New button. You will then be prompted to give your new outfit a memorable name. After saving, you can easily manage your outfits. To rename an outfit, simply click the gear icon next to its name. If you want to update an existing outfit, make your changes on your avatar, then select the outfit and choose Update. You can also delete outfits you no longer use, keeping your collection tidy and current. Wearing your saved outfits is incredibly straightforward. Just open the Avatar Editor, and all your saved looks will be displayed under the Costumes or Outfits tab. Simply click on the outfit you wish to wear, and your avatar will instantly change. This makes it super easy to switch up your style for different games or moods.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.